It's all organised chaos, as you can see, down here at Cullen Bay. Service these days.
Young and the old people of Darwin throwing a party in the ocean. And once a year, when the tides are right, this is what happens. The sandbar exposes itself.
They get this big barge here. Bring him out before the tide drops away. And that sets up a party bar. Tide will come back in. It'll float right up. You know, what more would you rather do in the Territory than skydive onto a sandbar in the middle of crocodile infested waters? How cool is that, eh? Look at this fella here, taking it easy. All happening here. The tide's on its way. There's tinnies, there's Darwin in the background. There's even people tried to swim across that stretch of water there, and you think about the crocs and the sharks and you're like, yeah, not a good idea, buddy. Here's all the rich people coming to the sandbar party. Skydiving. Beach boat central. And soon enough, it's low tide now. About another hour and a half, water will start washing over all this, and there'll be a mad scatter for everyone to get off. Righto, the sandbar party's coming to an end here in Darwin. What do you guys reckon of it?
Oh, it's fucking brilliant! I'm ready to go home.
Yeah, so that's it, folks. That's it for the Darwin Sandbar Party.